Hey, Arabella. We're going to make a video of how you clean your room. What do you do first? Yeah, that goes on the porch and that. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay. Do dolls go in the closet?
Yeah. Every day, Mama.
What?
I do this every day.
Oh, that's a good idea. Okay. Maybe on his bookshelf or his desk. Good idea. Arabella, you don't have to clean the boys' room. You can just clean. Bella, let's finish your room. You don't have to clean the boys' room.
I can tell those.
You are. You're doing great. If there's not enough room in there, you can check and see if there's more room in one of your other green containers.
Help.
Okay. Oh, you totally got it. Okay, here. Is there one of these containers that's got some clothes, doll clothes in it? We could put, oh look, it looks like there's extra room in here we could put the Groovy Girl clothes in. Look, the ones that are on the floor. Groovy. You're doing awesome. I think that's a Barbie dress. Where are the Barbies?
Never mind. Are you okay, bud? I watch out one away, and I'm going to my book. I'm a fan. I want to probably. We got him. I want to. That's a little McDonald. I love you, Mama.
I love you too. Do you want to keep that? Or you want to just throw it away? Okay. Where's the trash?
Here. Good job.
Okay.
Good job.
Okay. You got a few more things. You're almost done. Do you know where those little things go?
Here, Mom.
You put those in there too. Good job, Bella. Oh, do you know what to do for your bed?
What? A bit?
Yeah, do you know how to finish your bed? That pillow pal can stay on your bed if you want. I think you're doing a great job. You don't have to get it smooth. You can just pull it up.
I'm making my bed.
I love it.
I need help.
Okay. What?
This part.
Okay. What would you like me to do?
You go to that part over there.
Okay.
And go back.
Okay.
Then you go back to the hall.
Okay. I was gonna watch from this end so I could see when you had your pillows on your bed. Wow, Arabella. I think you're gonna have to show Miss Lori this video.